Scope is all the work that needs to be done in the project. It includes understanding requirements, determining work to meet those requirements, and decomposing work for assignment and scheduling. As PMs, we need to have both a plan and a baseline to properly complete the project. Scope planning focuses on creating guidelines for managing the project's scope. It addresses questions like how we handle scope changes, how we gather requirements, how we prioritize them, and how we even break down the scope. Essentially, it's about how to manage the scope, not what the scope is. Baselining defines the actual measurable deliverables for the project. For example, a bicycle scope baseline would detail the number of wheels, frame material, chain type, power source, electric, manual, or hybrid, and weight capacity. It's the tangible, expected output. A common question we've heard in our classes: how can we plan scope management before defining the baseline? Shouldn't we know what we're doing before trying to make a plan to manage it? Well, the answer is that the high-level scope is already given. Which document is that? That's right, it's the project charter. Therefore, the project charter provides the high-level scope, the scope management plan guides the team on implementing that scope, and the scope baseline details the complete deliverable for execution. Finally, our decision to approach the project influences how we manage scope. You may have heard the terms predictive, waterfall, or traditional. All of these terms relate to how this development approach is used when requirements are well defined up front. It often uses a work breakdown structure for detailed scope decomposition. However, you may choose to use an agile development approach. This is a preferred way when requirements are uncertain or evolving. It may use a product backlog or Kanban board for flexible scope management and utilizes sprints or iterations for short, time-boxed work cycles. In all, our scope management best practice is to understand which step you are in. Is it the early stage where you're understanding the high-level scope? Are you in the planning stage giving guidance to the team? Or are you now trying to track the progress with the scope baseline?